So this initiative is really the start of a foundational step to bring cities into the next generation. And as we do that in Toronto, we're talking about millions of sensors. We're talking about utilizing the data that's collected through artificial intelligence, machine learning, through utilizing cloud platforms, and then implement them across the infrastructure that resides in this amazing city. What does the future look like? How are we going to get there?
Toronto's a great place to live in. You know, we're always near the highest ranks in terms of livability. It's a rapidly growing city. We have 100,000 new residents coming to Toronto every year. So that poses a massive challenge in terms of infrastructure. How do we service all of the needs of those citizens? So there's a real opportunity to take that infrastructure, make it smarter, make it more accessible. And I think that's why this program is exciting and we're happy to be involved in it.
Smart cities are about making each individual part of a city smarter through sensors, infrastructure, and AI, then connecting them all together through the cloud to operate seamlessly together.
Once we do that, we can solve problems before they start, which is really the end goal here.
There really is no end to what could be enabled with a smart city. It's all connected together to operate as one cohesive unit aimed at improving the lives of the citizens of the city.
So you put sensors in your traffic lights to help to optimize route times and decrease congestion at given hours. Route optimization for your trucks for waste disposal. For water, you can use sensors to measure water quality and flow. All these different technologies taken together make for a better experience for you as a citizen and make the city government better able to accomplish their goals.
Uplift is an urban pilot program that was developed by Urban Living Futures. There are three major elements to those programs. There are the cities and the companies within those cities that have challenges or aspirations around technology that innovators can help them to address.
I think the introduction of IoT, it really is around trying to create an environment where not only our occupants, our tenants, our residents, to have an experience that is far easier and far more meaningful in ways that I think we can't really even envision today.
We want to bring together cities, innovators, citizens of the community, and our unified Microsoft capabilities to enable this broad transformation. No two cities are the same with how they need to transform. So our approach is to establish a framework and a toolbox for that city to help them get started.
For the citizens of Toronto, they shouldn't be excited about the changes that they will see, but the changes that they won't see. They won't see trash on the ground, congestion, smog, issues with population growth. Those are the things that IoT is really great at solving, and smart cities is the answer to.
I think we all should be excited about an initiative like Uplift will bring to any community. You can passively sit and wait, or you can be an early adopter. And I think for the City of Toronto, the fact that they're taking this initiative and looking to partners like Quadrail to help them achieve that is going to put us on a far better path.
So we're really looking at Toronto as a frontier city for this. Because of the innovation, the complexity of the city, the boom that they have here, it's really a great beacon to show what's possible for the rest of the world.